Hey everyone, welcome or welcome back to my channel. I am laichenir or Lay. I'm going to be showing you guys a try on haul of these frames here from Zeelool. So if you're interested, please stay tuned. Okay guys, so today we are collabing with Zeelool, the glasses company. They were kind enough to send me 6 pair of glasses, and it definitely came in clutch because I just got a new prescription and I was looking at their website for a good minute. Like, I seen a lot of ads of girls trying on the glasses and I had a few saved. So they allowed me to pick 3, and then they sent me some other ones based off of the choices that I picked. Comes in a box like this. So here's a shipping list too. It looks like it shows each pair of glasses and my prescription for each of them. So the glasses come in these pouches here. All these glasses have prescription in them and they're blue light blocking. But you don't have to get prescription if you don't want to. You can just get regular glasses, like for fashion with blue light blocking, or just, you know, however you want to do it. I guess I'll do the ones that they sent me, like based off the other ones that I picked. So we'll do those first. We'll start off with this one here, which is Crystal. It comes with this protective film, so we're gonna take this off. So we got Crystal. So she looks like, so I'm gonna put her on. Ooh. Oh, this is cute. And I can see clear too. So the prescription is definitely prescriptioning. So the frames are black with gold accents, and then it has like a gradient ombre effect to clear, brownish clear. Okay, this is cute. I don't usually wear glasses anymore. I used to wear them all the time back in the day. Now I'm more of a contact girl, but when I do buy glasses, I do like to buy a whole lot so that I can mix and match them with my outfits when I do decide to wear them. So this is cute. This is a cute pick. I'm glad they sent me these. They have so many glasses too, so so many choices, something for everybody for sure. So now we're gonna do the next pair. This pair is called Alberta. Oh, okay. These are definitely big fashion glasses. I like these. They're definitely a fashion glass. Like, if you're one of those fashion girlies and you want to put on a nice fit and then put on a cute frame too, because it's kind of gives sunglass. Look at this, a little detail on the arm. Let's show you guys close up. Oh yeah, I don't feel like my hair or anything is giving these frames justice right now, but they're really cute. Yeah, I like these. So yeah, these are black frames, another gradient effect to like the, I want to say it's like tortoise type of style or like color, and it has black arms on it with the gold accents here. I don't know, to me they're not everyday, but if you're one of them girls, they could be everyday. So the next one we have is Harel. So they're these like teal blue glasses with the tortoise arms. I like these. They're cute. I like the pop of color. It looks really good on my skin. I would definitely wear these on every day. Even though they are blue, they're not like the frame size and everything is not over the top. I mean, I think they would go with most outfits. It's cute. Like, I'm a all black type of girl, or like neutral type color, so it works. It matches. I have straight hair right now, so I guess maybe curly hair can still do its thing. And the good thing is, as you guys can see, I have on lashes and they're not touching my lashes. The glasses are not touching my lashes, so that's a plus. So if you like to wear your lashes and you have glasses, I know one of my best friends, she has that issue where she doesn't wear lashes like that because they touch her glasses, but these are not doing that. And these are some pretty big lashes. So Zeelool did their thing picking these 3. So now we're going to get into the kind that I picked myself. Okay guys, so now we have the next pair. A clear pair of glasses, basic clear pair of glasses. Let's get into it. Oh, I like these. Yeah, these are definitely going to be everyday clear glasses. I've had a pair of clear glasses before, but they were definitely like a lot more, I think they were more of like an aviator type of frame. These, I like the I like that they're still like round, but they have the point on the side. Let me show you guys a close up. Oh yeah, I like these a lot. They're so cool though. Like all these glasses definitely are doing what I need them to do. They give me different looks for different looks. So if I want to take a break from my contacts, or when I take a break from my contacts, I'll have different looks to go with my look. So again, this style is called Dorch. Okay, so now we have the next pair, which is Malcolm. So they're like a light brown, nudish type of color. You guys can see what it looks like on my skin. Okay, I like all of them. So this is kind of a similar shape to the last one I just had on, but this one is more of like a nude on me. I like these too. I'm really happy. I like all these glasses. Like, they're so cute, and they have prescription, so you can have really cute glasses with a prescription. They have prescription and the blue light blocking, so when you go to work and you type and everything, you're not hurting your eyes. We look at screens a lot at work all day, so we need the blue light blocking. Let's do a close-up. Again, none of these glasses are touching my eyelashes, so you can wear your long eyelashes. Here is the arm. These are all some pretty big glasses, I'm not gonna lie. So if you're into really big glasses, I think it looks good on my face. I think I have like a bigger face anyways, so they're not too big for me. I think they're just perfect. They're cute. So we're gonna go to my last pair. This is the one that I really wanted. I did want this in a different color, but they didn't have it, so they sent me this one. And this style here is the style Kiana. They have red up here on the frame, then the border, like this part right here, is gold, and then it has some silver detailing. The arms are red. I've seen a lot of girls with these on like TikTok. They had the clear ones that I wanted, but let's see what these look like. She's cute. She's really cute. And it matches my jewelry, my gold jewelry. Even though it has the silver detailing right here, most of the frame is gold, and it looks really cute. Let me show you guys a close-up, of course. I like these. Yeah. Okay guys, so these are all the glasses that I had to show you guys today. I'm ending it with my favorite pair, the Kiana glasses, because they're so cute. I will be sure to list every pair of glasses in the description box below so you guys can check them out. They offer sunglasses, they offer prescription glasses, and blue light blocking glasses, so you guys can go look up there and see what kind of glasses fit your personal style. I also have a discount code you guys can use. You can use Lenya to get 10% off your order. I will have that down in the description below as well. Thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you guys enjoy the video. Make sure to like my video, subscribe to my channel, share this video, and yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.